coming at you live from the kitchen. I'm gonna show y'all how to make some cookies today. My favorite chocolate chip, but instead of using butter, we're gonna use Cannabutter. Alright, so all you need for this.
Are you high?
All you need for this is some brown sugar. You know what I mean? I got two, I ain't gonna run out. LA. You need baking soda, butter. Wait, I don't need this. This is my little recipe. I did not get this from nobody. You know what I mean? I tweaked the little things from somebody else's recipe I seen. So this is all me. Copyright that. As you can see, I keep washing my hands. Gotta stay sanitary. Wash your hands. So the only ingredients you need for this: some brown sugar, some baking soda, flour, of course. I mean, I use pecans to add with the chocolate chips. No, you also need eggs too. I want y'all to see this. Come on up. When you got the butter, it should look like this when you first, you know what I mean, take it out the bowl, crack it up a little bit. But you definitely want to soften this, so you're going to have to heat it up. And I'm going to put this in the microwave real quick. As you can see now, I heated up my butter.
It's nice and liquidy.
You see that? Get a close up of that there. It should look
real liquidy.
like kind of like some green mud type, yeah, man. But the first step, what you want to do is you want to mix the salt. You need 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Just go ahead, get that up in there. Then you need a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. It ain't really that hard, you know what I mean? And you see right here, you don't really need the 1/2 teaspoon joint. If you got a 1/4 teaspoon, just use it twice, you know what I mean? Sometimes you got improvise. Improvise. Word of the day. What we doing, y'all? Alright, so you get 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then 1 1/4 cup of flour. Alright, so we're gonna open this. Got the brand new joint. What you know about that? Alright. Look at that 1/2 cup. Is it a cup? Is it 1 cup? Yep. 1 level cup, yeah. Yep. 1 1/4 cup of flour. Get him up in there. It ain't that hard. You know what I mean? Grab the fourfie. Then, in a separate bowl, you want to put your 1/2 cup of butter, which is equal to just a stick of butter. You know what I mean? That's all you need. Heat that up. Then you put a 1/2 cup of sugar right here. Don't really look like regular sugar because it ain't. It's that cane, you know what I mean? Whatever that is. I'm going to figure that out and then I might include it. I'm going to edit that in. Yeah. Alright. I mean, it was close enough. I need a little bit more though because I wasn't all the way. Open up a brand new brown sugar. I'm opening up everything new. Balling. Definitely a 1/2 cup right there. Before I put the egg in, well no, wait. Alright, so wait. You got a separate bowl with salt, flour, and I don't know, but this bowl, after you put in the brown sugar, the sugar, and the butter, heat it up. Make sure you stir that up, and then after that, we'll add the egg. But right now, you want to stir it until it get like a kind of like a Wendy's frosty type consistency, like, you know what I mean? That's how I like to have mine. We're gonna see how close we can get it. Alright, it look like we're not having luck on, but exactly what I said. But as you can see, we definitely got it.
Real liquidy.
Everything's all in there. Nice and mixed up. Beat it real good, like. Beat it real good. Yeah, man. Oh, another ingredient that I left out is I'm supposed to put a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, but I like to use this maple extract, you know what I mean? Because it just give it a little smell. Have it smell like pancakes or waffles or something. It's crazy. Put a little dab of that in there. And that was a 1/2 teaspoon. Then you go ahead and crack your egg. Put that in with the butter, sugar, and all that there. And you go ahead and beat that again. I probably should have used a bigger bowl. I wasn't thinking, but it's cool. We'll just use that one for the next step. I just want y'all to see like the darkness of that concoction with the butter in it. The reason why it's that color, I decided to not, you know what I mean, really do the best I could in filtering out that color with the weed. Like during the Cannabutter making process, I could have did that, but it's whatever, you know what I mean. I don't mind a little darkness to it. But if you really want, you know what I mean, get it all clean, you can do that there. Go through an extra filter step. But after that, I'm gonna get a bigger bowl to mix the two together. Look at that there. Look at that. Pure THC. That's gonna have a nigga. Kinda wanna just put my finger in there and lick it, but it probably don't taste too good. Alright, put your butter in. Real nice and gentle. Don't get it everywhere. Bow. Now you go ahead and stir that up real good. Actually, I'm gonna just get up in there with my hands just so we can really get all that flour in there all mixed in. And just so you know, this recipe is only for a dozen cookies. You know what I mean? About a whole batch. But if you wanted more, you could just double the ingredients as you like. Something like that. I got my oven preheating to 350. That's working on that in the background. And I'm gonna get my pecans first. Crunch them up like so. You know what I mean? It ain't really a big deal if you like them smaller than that. I mean, you could crunch them some other way, you know what I mean, pound them on a table or something. Grind them up coarsely, I guess that's how you would say it. I don't really have like a certain specific quantity that you should put in there. I just put as much as I like. I mean, I might add a little bit more actually, because I like to have a lot going on with my cookies. Like, the more snacks up in there, the better. I mean, I wish I could throw like some hot Cheetos or something up in the mix, but maybe one day. Alright, keep that idea. Now you get your chocolate chips up in there. Mine's about real chocolatey. You'll see how that turns out. I don't know how much that is. Keep that in mind. But watch, they turn out real good. One thing to remember before putting your cookies in the oven, make sure you put parchment paper down on the little pan, whatever you're using. It's gonna help the bottoms not be real crisp and dark, you know what I mean? You hate when that happens. So you definitely gotta use parchment paper. Shout out to my Rays for showing me that too, yeah. Go ahead, get it, break it down in little balls real quick. This one gonna be kinda like a decent size. I'm gonna make a big boy. I'm gonna have all big boy cookies wide. We're gonna make it happen. Wow, we made it happen. My oven is still heating up. We're gonna take a quick commercial break. I'll be right back at you in a moment. Alright, so now as the oven's done heating, so just throw that in there. It's at 350. Alright, we're gonna set the timer for 10 minutes. Can't wait to taste them. Be right back at you. And just like that, the timer's going off. See how the cookies look. Woo! Cakes! Now there's so much. Oh, I definitely used a lot of Cannabutter for this. Well, not a lot of Cannabutter. There's a lot of THC in that Cannabutter, because I mean, you could have stretched it to do like a whole, like a couple batches, couple dozen, but I definitely just packed them all into one cookie, like, you know what I mean, one batch. Follow that recipe, you'll have very potent Cannabutter chocolate chip cookies. But if y'all wanted me to make another video teaching y'all how to make Cannabutter, I could definitely do that. Just post in the comments something, you know what I mean, like teach us how to make Cannabutter, you know what I mean, and I'll definitely do it if I see enough people requesting it. But yeah, that's about it. Now, can't wait to dig into these cookies. Gotta let them cool off about 10 minutes. Alright. Now I'm just grabbing one that's still hot, so let me dig in.
I feel like it's a lot of cooking.
But it's definitely gonna have you feeling right. I promise you that. That's all that really matters. But it tastes good too. This is like eating a double stacker cookie. Oh yeah, Big Mac. You know what I mean? You're gonna be feeling that. Go and get it close up. I'm gonna show them what we're working with. Just like that. I like it. I love it. A couple hours, I'm gonna really love it. That's what I'm talking about. Follow them recipes. If you want me to show y'all how to make Cannabutter, go ahead and comment. Till I see y'all next time.